Hello people, right, it is Friday evening, about 7 o'clock, just gone 7 o'clock. Well, I should know that because this is the point of this video. Now what I wanted to show you was something I'm watching. I'm always watching the dollar index now. I'm loving it, and I'm learning what happens when this combined with other charts, in this instance gold, but I particularly want to talk about gold right now because I think it's going to pop. And there's something I've not talked about on the RsHisto that has occurred with this gold, which is why I think it's going to pop up. Let's put it on a lower chart. Minus, zoom out should I say. Higher chart, M15. Expecting it to pop up to that level there. You've got support, resistance there. I hope you can see that. So about that area there I'm expecting it. We've got a high there that may cause a problem, resistance level, so I don't want to get greedy. That move there on gold is from this point here 16 pips, so it's for me it's massive. Now I'm not going to trade it, but what I want to show you was what we've got going on here. This hour just closed green, and it's a bust, pullback, break and close above the bust. Been watching it for the whole, well in fact more than an hour, been watching it for hours now. M30, exactly the same thing, bust, pullback, break and close up. As you can see on the M30 candles chart, it looks like it's ready to go. It's been punching up, pullback, punching up. It's either going to collapse or it's going to go and look for more sellers at this level, in my opinion. So we've got H1 with a bust and break, M30 with a bust and break. I didn't check H4 actually. Still got, oh, it was an H4 close, so that's just closed green as well. Strong H4 candle there through all the levels of where the candles close. I call them PPZ, price pivot zones, or flip zones, or whatever you want to call it. So that's interesting. That's bullish on H4 on the RSI, a proper bullish. That is a buy signal there. But when we get this, and this is something else I don't talk about that often, always be prepared for the pullback. But when you get one after the bust, pullback, break and close, that's when they tend to pop up. So we know this has broken a level of resistance here on the lower time frames, so you do expect some sort of a pullback. As you can see this now, M30, that's the previous M30 closed, bust, break and close up. M15, exactly the same. There's your bust, all your pullbacks. Finally we've busted and broken and closed above on M15. So that's 4 time frames in alignment. The previous M5 candle, what time is it now? 1906. So this is the new M5. That is the previous M5. Bust and break up. This is every time frame in alignment on, and then you just use the 1 minute to hit the trade. So this is a short and sweet video, but I just wanted to show you a phenomena that I look for. So I'm staring at the charts, watching the 30 minute when it closed at 6:30. We're now 7 o'clock. 30 minute wasn't all in alignment, but whatever happens, they must not go out of alignment. So when we closed at 7 o'clock, then we were out of alignment on the hourly chart there. We weren't in the bust, pullback, break and close on the hourly. We were on the pullback phase. So the hourly had to close green. At that point, of course, the 30 minute aligned as well, and the 15 minute, because that's the last 15 minute in that hourly bar, that was that one there, aligned as well. And then the 5 minute did its stuff and aligned as well. So I hope you're getting where I'm looking at this now, and that's something I don't think I've ever mentioned on here. I keep forgetting, but this is your priceless RsHisto bust, break and close ducks in a row, in my opinion. So I'm just going to pause this and see whether we hit I would have had my take profit at the low of that that sort of supply and demand area. Well, it's a supply area, not demand, but I just wanted to show you that. Hopefully this is a worthwhile video for you and has some value. Looks like it's going to hit that level. When it does, that would have been a 16 pip trade. So I will pause this if I got time and come back if it hits that level. Hello again. Right, it hasn't quite hit the level, but I'm not waiting around just for the sake of a pip. So as you can see, it did its stuff, all the ducks in a row. This was probably, oh there it goes, it's just hit it now. This was probably one of the well, for me, most satisfying videos to catch, because you can then, you know, see all of those levels in a row. What can I say? The ducks are all aligned, and that's why price has pushed up, in my opinion. Stunning, absolutely beautiful, and it's hit that to the pip. So what can I say? Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend, Friday evening and the weekend.